This is what a cube looks like, kind of same as the room that you're sitting in, is it? If we go from board, from the TV to the back where sir is standing, let us take this as length. If you go from this side girl to that side boy, the wall to wall, let's take it as breadth, and this as height. So we have length, breadth, and height. What all things can we measure here? One is called curved surface area. In this case, it's called lateral surface area. And what is that equal to? It is very simple. Understand, the area of the four walls and not the floor and the ceiling. Four walls, that's called lateral area. Is it? Now tell me, if I have taken the front wall to back wall as length, the wall height to be h, this side where the girls are sitting, what is the area of that wall? What's the area of this wall where the girls are sitting? Wall area, and we have taken this to be length and this to be h. Can you tell me? Gamma L into h. Am I right? Okay. And if you can see that wall is same as this side wall as well. That means this is LH, this is LH, this makes it 2LH. So 2LH is the area of these front two walls. Now think about the front wall where the TV is installed. On that front wall, if you'll see, we have taken wall to wall as breadth and we have taken this to be height. What is the area of the front wall? BH is fine. And then same way, the back wall is also BH. So LH is 2LH, BH is 2BH. So the lateral surface area comes out to be 2LH plus 2BH. And hence we can write it as 2HL plus B. Let's study what is total surface area. So this we include first, 2LH and 2BH, because this is very much a part of the total surface of the four walls. And now the area of the ceiling and the floor. You know the drill, where is length, where is breadth. Rectangle below your feet, the floor. What is the area of that rectangle? Floor's area is length into breadth, that is LB. Ceiling's area is again length into breadth, LB. So then the total area comes out to be 2LB. So 2LB, 2BH, 2HL becomes the total surface area. Okay. Now comes volume. We will learn a special formula of volume today, which will come for most bodies, which will come good for most bodies. Remember this line. Volume is given by the base area into height. Base area into height. But remember, this formula is a general formula for most bodies if they fulfill two conditions. Condition number one, the base and the ceiling should be same shape. Same shape. This cannot be a circle here and a point here. So this will not be applicable to cone. This cannot be a cube here and something else. No, it has to be same. And two, the walls have to be straight. The walls can't go like this. The walls can't go like this. They have to be straight. So cuboid is that case where floor and ceiling are same and the walls are straight. Hence, this formula is applicable. Remember this general formula. It will come handy when we study electricity also. Somewhere it will be used. So volume is base area into height. In this case, the base area said is LB and height is h, so volume becomes LBH. And now comes the question that most people have not been able to answer. It is the diagonal. Understand, if I ask you what is the longest rod you can keep in this room, longest possible rod, and forget about like say putting it in and adjusting, all that is okay. The rod is flexible, so you can bend it anyway. But what is the longest possible rod you can keep in this room straight? The room that you're sitting in. Which corner to which corner? Think about it and tell me. Which corner to which corner will the longest rod come? The girl, last row, wall side. Please stand. Could you think something better? What is the longest possible rod? Anything that comes to your mind. Kavya is completely right. आपके लेफ्ट हैंड फ्रंट वॉल टॉप कॉर्नर, सी अगेन, लेफ्ट हैंड front wall top corner, to right hand back wall down corner. That is the diagonal. In this case here, the diagonal is this. This is the diagonal. And the length of this diagonal is given by root over of L square B square H square. That's the longest possible rod that you can keep in a room. That is diagonal for you. Now, why I took cuboid before cube, there's a reason. Actually, cube is a cuboid itself. The only difference is cube has length, breadth, height equal. So let's say if I can make all the things for cube also here itself. I will choose for one color, let's say this color for cube. So what is a cube? We all know it is when L, B, H all are equal. So this is A here, A here, A here. So how do you get the formula for cube? It is simple. In these formulas itself, just put A everywhere, because height is A, length is A, breadth is A. So you have 2A, A plus A. A plus A is 2A, 2A into 2A is 4A square, and that is the lateral surface area for cube. Similarly, total surface area is 2A into A, A into A, A into A. So A into A is A square, and A square plus A square plus A square is 3A square into 2 is 6A square. That's why total surface area is 6A square, and that is coming good. Tabbas. You can keep speaking like that. Length into breadth into height will become A into A into A. A cube. Wonderful. So volume has become A cube. These are the formula for the cube. What about the diagonal? Again, A square plus A square plus A square. That is, and 3A square, if you square root them, A square will come out as A, 3 remains in, so the diagonal becomes A root 3. And this is what most people did not know or answer. That is all for cube and cuboid.